Hello everyone, Mauro here. In this video, we're going to look at the changes that Microsoft is now rolling out on Windows 11, build 27768, and the Canary channel from the Windows Insider program. It is also important to note that this preview is part of the 24H2 development. Okay, let's dive into the new changes. But before, please subscribe to the channel and click the like button to help YouTube show this video to more people. It doesn't cost anything, and you will be helping the channel and supporting my work. Okay, on this particular release, don't expect too much because this is a really tiny update. There are only two official things that Microsoft is updating, and one of them on File Explorer. Now, from the left pane, when you right click on it, you will now find an option to create a folder. Before, you either need to go to a particular folder to find the option, or you needed to open the classic version of the menu in order to find the new option. Also, on the Settings app, if we go to Time and Language and then on Date and Time, now it is possible for users with a standard account to change the setting for the time zone. In the past, it will only be available for administrators. Now, this change is not part of the official notes. However, it's been discovered that Microsoft is actually working on adding a new way to change settings on the Settings app. For example, on this particular page, when you select the different options, you now have a button that allows you to save the current configuration, as you can see right here, instead of actually applying the settings automatically. For example, if we go to Control Panel and we actually go to any of the settings, we needed to adjust the setting, and then we either save or click OK to apply the actual settings. And that's it. Those are pretty much the most interesting changes that we're going to find on Windows 11 build 27768. Also, let me know in the comments what type of content you would like me to cover more. That's it. Just remember to leave your comment, like the video, share it, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.